Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and verifying the outlet, never work live. You then remove the night light from the outlet and open its housing with a small screwdriver. Watch for clipped plastic tabs. Use a multimeter on continuity mode to check the cord and internal switch. This tells you whether the issue is the bulb, wiring, or switch. Once done, note any burned areas or melted plastic so you can decide whether to replace the LED module or repair wiring. You now focus on the middle work. Isolate the component that failed. Check the LED or bulb contacts for voltage while the housing is open. Use a safe clamping probe and have the unit powered only if necessary. If the LED or bulb reads dead, swap it with an exact spec replacement. If wiring is the problem, clean corrosion, resolder loose joints, and use heat shrink tubing to insulate. Once connections are solid, reassemble the housing loosely. To test, you finish by testing under normal conditions. Plug the night light in and observe light output and temperature for a minute or two. Make sure there's no flicker and no excessive heat. If fine, power down, apply dielectric grease to contacts, then fully tighten screws and snap the housing closed. Once done, verify operation again. If problems persist, check the adapter or internal transformer voltage and polarity. If those are out of spec, replacing the unit is the safer option. This is the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.